What's up everybody, it's Wyatt with WC Fishing. We're back with another video, and today we're doing something completely different and a type of fishing that I've actually never done before. So there's no telling how this works out, but I got the kayak with me, and right back here there's a nice creek body of water, and apparently there's some redfish and snook in there according to some people that I've talked to. Never fished for these before, so I have no expectations, don't know what's gonna happen, but let's get in the water and start fishing. Fishing. Well, I don't know these fish at all, but I do say this grassy bank here looks like it might have something. So let's get a bait in the water. Well, there's a fish over there hitting top water, so that means there's something here. Let's switch it up a little bit here. So I got this floating topwater spook that is also supposed to be something that works somewhat decently for reds and snook, and I've seen something hitting top water out here, so something hit it. Oh, it's gone. As quick as that thing hit it, it was gone. So I'm using something right here. Whew. Oh man. All right, let's catch some fish. All right, I think I'm gonna swap back now. See what we can do with the other one, because this bank looks a little enticing for potentially some snooks or some reds with my almost entirely zero knowledge of the fish. Oh, there's something right there. There we go. There's a fish. What? What is that? He was on it. Well, that's 2 hits with this one, so I'm pretty convinced I'm using the right lure.
How you doing?
All right. No fish yet, but they're coming. Come on, fishy fishies. How's it going? Oh, oh, there's a fish. There we go. How about that? Wonder what we got here. Oh. fish is wearing me out. I love fishing kayaks like this. You see how much I'm getting towed around with it? It might be a red, I can't tell. Oh, I think it is. Oh, it's not. Woo! How about that? It's a jack. I did not expect to catch any of those here, but these things are some of the best fighting fish there is. How about that? That's definitely the biggest jack I've ever caught. I mean, you guys prior have seen the biggest one from surf fishing and getting hooked up on that shark. If you don't know what I'm talking about, in the top right, that video will be linked. But how about that? That's awesome. It's like a 5-6 pound jack, but he's got all the fight in him. That's awesome. I'm so stoked we can find those. Let's get him back in the water. And away he goes. Let's go. How about that one, guys? I did not expect to find a jack out here. I was expecting there to be redfish, snook, maybe some tarpon and trout. I thought that's all you'd find back in here. Like, this water isn't fully freshwater, but it's getting very close to it. So I had no idea there were jacks back here, especially ones that size. That was fun. I have not fought a fish from a kayak in such a long time, and that fish fought so hard. You guys saw all of that. It was so much fun. But all we got to do now is catch some more, so let's get it. Well, how about that? First time fishing that type of water, first time going after these fish, meaning redfish and snook. I'd say it didn't go too bad. I obviously didn't catch any of the target fish that I was going for, but being able to catch that jack was awesome. Those fish have so much fight in them, and it feels really good to get back in the kayak and fight a fish. I haven't done that in over a year, so getting back to that is so much fun. Super happy I did it, but this is going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed what you saw, I post videos every Thursday. There's a subscribe button right down there. You should hit that, it'll help me out. But yeah, keep fishing, enjoy it.